Your revenue going up and down has nothing to do with your business. And I know that because I've lived it. 1 month I make multiple four figures working a few hours a day. And then for the next 3 months, I wouldn't make anything and live in constant anxiety all day. And then once I realized my income was inconsistent, I'd invest in another business mentor. I changed my offer, I'd work longer hours. But no matter what I did, the same pattern kept repeating. And I know you're telling yourself it's the strategy, it's the content, it's the offer. But deep down you know it's none of those things because you've already fixed them. You've already put so much time into fixing these issues, but the same pattern keeps repeating. And so the real reason your income is inconsistent isn't because of the business, it's because of your productivity. Because the months you make money and the months you make nothing are in two completely different neurological states. And until you fix a system that controls which state you operate from, the same pattern will keep repeating. So today I'm going to show you exactly why your revenue keeps going up and down, even with very good metrics. Why the problem is actually you and how to fix yourself so you can finally have a consistent income and finally scale your business. You see, here's the cycle you're probably in right now. Every single time you have a bad month in business, you tell yourself, okay, we just gotta work harder. So your brain forces you to work harder, sit at your desk for longer hours, maybe even consider changing your entire business around. And so you do all these things expecting your income to skyrocket or stay consistent, but it never happens. And so then you turn into investing in another business mentor, hoping they will fix the issue for you, but still nothing works. And then finally, after months and months of effort and trying to fix this issue, you finally realize the problem wasn't the business, it was you. And now if you didn't recognize by now, the reason why that cycle was so specific is because that's exactly what I went through myself. I spent thousands of dollars on new business mentors, not realizing my main issue was not being able to actually focus on my work. And now I'm so thankful I found this issue, because I knew if I stayed in the cycle, I would have spent more money on more business mentors and stayed in the exact same position and probably quit my entire business. You see, there's a very powerful quote I've heard in the past that completely changed my life, and it's that entrepreneurs don't have business problems, they have personal problems reflecting in their business. And until these personal problems are fixed, your business will not move forward. And this relates so much to when I was going through this period of very inconsistent income. It was almost like I had this invisible wall in front of me that I knew I should be past by now, but no matter what I did, I couldn't get through it. I knew my business should be making a lot more money, consistently at least, but I just couldn't push through it. And now what are these personal problems? Well, the most common one is obviously productivity and inconsistent focus hours every day. Because the truth is, your business is simply a reflection or a version of you. It's your ideas, it's your decisions, it's your actions all put together, almost like an amalgamation of yourself. And if you are damaged, for example, you can't focus on your work, you can't sit down and enter a flow state on your work, then your business will be damaged as well. And the reason why I say it's a work and focus issue is because from 0 to 20k a month, that's all it really is. It's just about input, doing the right work, working on the right things for long enough. And if you can do that, you can scale to 20k a month very easily. Now, after 20k a month, it's more to do with hiring people, hiring out people, systemizing your business. But right now, it's just about inputs and outputs. If you do the right inputs and the right volume of inputs, then you'll get the same result every single time. And this is something I wish so many more entrepreneurs knew, because most entrepreneurs never realize this. They think it's a business issue, and so they spend years and years trying to fix their business. They don't move forward, and they think their business is just unscalable, so they quit. But if they simply put a tiny amount of effort into fixing themselves, their mental performance, their productivity, changing their beliefs, they will be able to scale easily. And this is the only difference between failing entrepreneurs and those making 10, 100k a month with their business. So now let's go over exactly how you can fix the main issue, which is learning how to do more focused work inside the day. Because like I said, if you do this, you have a higher input, higher chance of making money, and obviously a higher output, which is you making more money. So right now inside your subconscious, you have a baseline for performance. You have a certain amount that your brain can handle. And so when you hit this baseline, so let's say for example it's 4 hours of deep work per day, your brain will say, okay, that's enough, we need to rest. And it forces you to stop work, even though you can do a lot more work than that. And that's why the great news is you can expand your baseline for performance and your baseline for focus. And there's actually a term for this called your attentional space. This is the maximum space that holds your attention. And for every single person's brain, it's in different sizes. Someone watching this video might have a giant attentional space, be able to focus for hours, but most people watching this video won't have that. And I certainly didn't when I think back to when I was really struggling with having an inconsistent income. And the best way to expand the size of this attentional space is through something called progressive overload. Now, for those gym goers watching this video, you obviously know what this is. This is basically when you progressively increase the weight over and over again until you get to the weight you're satisfied with. And because the attentional space is just a muscle inside our brain, we can apply the exact same concept. Because let's say, for example, you start the gym today, right? You've never gone to the gym before and you have the goal of lifting 300 kg on a bench press. You're obviously not going to be able to do that, and it's probably going to fall on yourself, right? Imagine if every single day you just showed up to the gym, tried to lift that same weight. You'll never make any progress compared to if you lowered the weight. Maybe you choose the bar, and if every week goes by you slowly increase the weight, eventually you're going to get that 300 kg mark. It's the exact same thing with focus. The reason why so many entrepreneurs struggle to actually do high focus work every day is because they either stay at the same baseline and don't actually improve it, or they go way above the baseline thinking they can withstand that high amount of focus. But once you progressively overload your focus, this will do two main things. It will first make you realize if there's any other problems with yourself. It'll make you realize maybe there's a problem with your sleep, maybe there's a problem with your ability to reach flow state or procrastination or beliefs. That will allow you to see that. But it will also allow you to focus for much longer hours, which will obviously lead to much more consistent income every month. And I know you might be watching this video thinking, what the hell is this guy on about? It's obviously to do with the business, but the thing is, I guarantee you've tried fixing their business before. You've tried fixing your funnel, you've tried posting more content, you've tried hiring people, but it just doesn't work. And this is the reason, because the problem is you, not anything else. So if this feels like you right now, you're making inconsistent revenue with your business and you just can't seem to scale, but you know if you could focus for much longer hours inside the day, you'd be able to scale much more consistently and actually make much more money online with your business. Click the first link in the description to book a free focus audit where I'll personally break down every single constraint you're facing right now and give you the same mental performance systems, focus systems, flow state systems I've given to 200 plus entrepreneurs making 5 to 7 figures online. Okay, have an amazing day, man. Peace.